Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix this app won't work for your device in Play Store. So basically, if you are using Android, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the settings. In the settings, what you're gonna do, you're gonna start going ahead or go ahead to the app, all right, and basically start looking for the Google Play, right? And after you've searched for Google Play, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the Google Play service and just or Google Play Store, sorry, and you're gonna be able to clear cache, and basically from there you're gonna be able to force the stop on the Google Play Store, and basically check on the permissions in the Google Play Store. Make sure that your contacts are allowed, files are all allowed, and location is allowed, and phone is allowed, and all the SMS and all that, right? So basically, a demonstration, you could just go ahead to the App Store right here, basically, and force the stop from there, and or you could just go ahead to the general in the iPhone storage, right, which is the apps, and then go ahead to the App Store or Google Play, sorry. From there, you're gonna be able to force the stop, like for example, demonstration, upload the app, basically recover it, by keeping its data and information. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.